Hey guys, so this is my tutorial for the 4th day of Christmas, which is going to be 4 calling birds. Okay, so I gotta explain this video a little bit because it's kind of out of the ordinary. Honestly, what do they mean by calling bird? Because when I think of a calling bird, I think of those really annoying crows that just wah, 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 and like. So I did that, and I kind of did like a whole black theme kind of thing, which is actually the look that I'm wearing right now is kind of what the whole thing is. But yeah, so that is where I stood with this one, I guess. So I did for 4 calling birds, I kind of did like with the whole black crow kind of persona. So just so you guys know, yeah, so you're not like, why is she doing all black? Because I don't know what exactly a calling bird is supposed to look like. I mean, I tried Googling it, and like, everybody has their different calling birds. They have like their interpretation of calling birds. Some of them are colorful, some of them are just a bird. I mean, I don't know. So I guess it's all how you see it. So I did mine as kind of like the crow, raven, kind of, black. So yeah, so that explains the video. Now go ahead and watch. Okay, so for the first thing that I'm using, I'm putting on the Rimmel Eyeful, the eyelid color, and it's in Talk to Me. Mind you, I have already put on concealer, foundation, and powder. And so I'm just kind of using this as an eye primer. I've also put on the eyeshadow primer from Urban Decay, but I just kind of add this just to add the color and to help keep it into place. Alright, and today I'm going to use my Urban Decay NYC palette. The first color that I'm going to use is in the upper left hand corner, and it's like a pure matte black color, and it's called Perversion. And I'm just basically going to use this on my eyelid. And I'm actually going to be applying this one with a sponge, just because I like to get rid of them. I don't like to waste them, but I only use them once for one color because I don't like my colors getting all mixed together. And I don't really like using these things, but I just use them just because I don't want to waste them. So I'm just going to spread that black all over both of my lids and almost up to the crease, basically. And then I'm just to make it kind of evenly smeared, I guess, I use my finger just to kind of like, smudge it out a little bit so it's not so weird looking. Anyway, so the next color that I'm going to use from the NYC Urban Decay palette is going to be the Psychedelic Sister, and it is in the right bottom corner. And it's like this shimmery purple color, and I'm just going to use that in the crease. So just to kind of make it look like the black goes to a purple. I'm using black and purple because I wanted to use dark colors because I was going for like the crow kind of look. I know purple's not really crow color, but it just kind of adds a little bit of color to the black. And then I'm going to use a blending brush and blend everything all together. Just like so. And then even if I get it past where I put my eyeshadow, it's okay because it still looks nice. So gives it more of like it's washing into the next color, I guess, and into my eye instead of just a solid look. Alright, and next I'm going to put just a regular black eyeliner, just a pencil, on my waterline under my eye. And yes, I'm only using it on the waterline because I'm going to use a different kind up on the top. I'm actually going to be using the Magic Ink by Benefit. And it's a liquid eyeliner, and I'm putting this right above my eyelashes, I guess. That's what you would call it. And I had to use a little mirror to do this because I could not do it in the screen of my camera. I didn't want to be all up in your guys' face, and I didn't want you to see my nose hairs and stuff like that, so sorry. Alright, the reason I did not use this on my under eyes is because I get the same effect just from a pencil, and I didn't want it to be like too overkill, I guess, on the bottom. I mean, I know it would match better, but I don't know. I don't trust myself with liquid eyeliner on my under eyes, so I'm just going to do it with regular. Alright, and there's the finished look. Woohoo! Alright, next I'm going to be using the They're Real by Benefit. It's the mascara, obviously. And I'll apply that to my eyes, or to my eyelashes and my under eyelashes. Okay, so this mascara doesn't really make too much of a difference on me, but I've heard wonderful things about other people getting it, so I mean, I'm not going to hate on it because obviously it works for some people and it doesn't work for others, and I think sometimes it does work for me. I just don't think that it does. I don't know. But if you like it, you're more than welcome to have your own opinion. I like it too, it's just it doesn't do like the same effect on me as it does other people. But I think it's because I already have thick eyelashes. But anyways, there's a close-up of the final look. And next I'm going to be using just a highlighter. This is a body shimmer actually that I got like in one of those little makeup set kits, and I just kind of put it on the upper part of my cheekbone and right around just the corner of my eye right there. And then I just kind of rub it in with my finger, and it just gives it like a little natural highlight look. And I put a little bit on my nose. Alright. And next I'm going to use my Trio blush set from Benefit. It's called, I think, Pop Star or Powder Pop. There you go. And the color is actually Dallas. And I'm going to be applying that to my upper cheekbones. It's just a very, like, a mauve flat color, I guess. I don't know. It has a little bit of pink in it, but I didn't want too much pink. I wanted more bright colors. And then now I'm using my Benetint, and I'm actually just going to be using this for my lips, not for my cheeks or anything, just for my lips, just to kind of give like an over red effect. But I didn't want like a super bright red. I just wanted like a darker red. I love Benetint, just like everybody else, of course. Totally worth the money, lasts forever. I've had mine for a long time, and it looks like I barely used any, but I use it quite a bit, and I actually have a couple of them. Okay, so the next thing I'm putting on is my Yakety Yak glitter, which I always apply. And like, I know it looks like it's orange, but whenever you put it on your eyes, it's really not orange. It's more just like glitter. So, fear not. It's just regular glitter. It just appears to be orange because of the stuff that got into it. So, alright, and my last thing that I'm going to be using is my Beauty Rush. The cream flavored one. I don't know what the name of it is because the name thing sticker came off, so I can't really tell you. But I use this quite a bit because I love it. I love the way it tastes and it smells and the way that it looks. And it's like a white, it's like a cream color, and it has like white and gold shimmery glitter in it, and it's beautiful. Anyways, here's the finished look. And next we're going to get on to hair. Alright, so basically I've just taken my hair down. I brushed it out already. And now I'm going to flip it. And I'm going to do a really high ponytail on the top of my head. Alright, see how it's kind of really high? I mean, it's not like literally on the top of my head, but it's pretty close. It's really high. Alright, and then in a second here. I'm actually going to be pinning back my bangs. I'm just using bobby pins. Like, I mean, you can give it a little poof or you can not give it a little poof. Today I didn't really give it much of a poof like I usually do. But that's okay. It still works. It does the same thing. I'm just going to bobby pin it. I use 2 bobby pins and make kind of like a little X. And then now I'm just going to twirl it kind of like into a messy bun, I guess. I don't know, this look kind of reminds me of like Kim Kardashian or something, because she always wears her hair weird like that. And she's always wearing really dark makeup. Anyway, so I'm just kind of pinning it down into like a funkadelic looking bun on the top of my head. And then now I'm just going to use Hairspray, which is my NYX, to see the NYX's sustainable hold. And I'm just kind of brushing all the loose hairs into place. Don't ask why I have so many loose hairs, because I have no idea. It's like my hair just started growing randomly, and so like I have all these weird hairs that just kind of stick up. It's kind of annoying, not gonna lie. Yes, that's my son talking in the background. Anyways, so here is my final look. Kind of like a messy bun on the top of your head. And now we'll get into the other fun stuff. So for perfume, I'm using Britney Spears in Control. I'm wearing earrings that I got in the dollar section at Target. And my necklace I got at Claire's. And I'm wearing black little small heels that are from Target. They're Mendona, I think. And here's the final look. I'm wearing a black shirt that I got at Target and pants that somebody gave me. If you have any questions or comments or anything about the video itself or any of the products that I used in the video, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm really friendly and I try to answer everybody. Yeah. So yeah, just go ahead and leave me a comment. And if you love me, go ahead and rate this video, comment, rate, subscribe, all the above. Alright guys, alright, I'll see you tomorrow for the 5th day of Christmas. Bye!